guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyra Monet, and today I have a couple of errands to run, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I did have to work today and I'm finally off, and I don't have any appointments to the places that I'm going. I do have to go to the mall, I have to go to Walgreens, and the grocery store too, so we're going to see how far I get. But let's get this started. I actually have to get gas first because I am on E, but I'm thinking about wearing these glasses today. They kind of go with my fit. I like the brown and gray look, and I'll show you guys what it's giving. Okay, so I have on this jacket that I got from like TJ Maxx, my glasses, I have on a gray top, my bag, these pants here, and then my Nike brown and gray sneakers. So it's a little bit of brown and grays going on, but this will do for now. So earlier today, I actually went to go get my car serviced before I started working, and I went to go get the anti-theft because I own a Hyundai and my car has been broken into twice. Yes, twice. The first time they took my car, they stole it. And the second time they broke into it, actually walked up on them breaking into my car. But that is another conversation for another day. We're not even going to get into that because it's just going to make me upset. But we're going to go to the first spot, which I think I'm going to go to Walgreens first. To pick up a few things, and then I'm gonna try to head to the mall. I recently just got a new phone, and I got the 15 Pro Max because I ran out of storage in my phone, and I don't have a case on it yet. And the crazy thing is, I think I literally like scratched it already. I see the little scratch in the corner. I'm so upset with myself, but I scratched my case is coming. Today's Wednesday, my case is coming Friday, so my case is coming, thank God, finally. But yeah, we got a lot to do, so I'm gonna just, like I said, take out with me. But today's the day. I like to run my errands in the middle of the week because Saturday and the weekend I like to just chill and make plans and stuff. I always find myself like getting myself together either at the beginning of the month, end of the month / and then middle of the week. So that's really how my schedule is. Okay, that took a little bit longer than expected, but I was able to put in my prescription, and they should have it ready by tomorrow, they said, at the earliest, and then Friday at the latest. Sorry guys, Friday at the latest. So now I'm gonna head to, should I even go to the mall is the question. That's what I want to figure out. Should I go to the mall? Let me put it in the GPS and see. Like I said, yeah, that kind of took way longer than expected because they told me to wait, and then I waited for like almost 15-20 minutes, and then once that time passed, they were like, sorry, you might have to come back tomorrow. So whatever. So off to the next destination.
You have it with you? I got you.
I honestly didn't really have to come all the way over here because the serial number's in the watch the whole time. But at least that's handled. And I think I'm done in this mall. I'm gonna check out that store that I saw walking over here actually. Okay, remember how I said I was getting gas first? I'm actually getting gas now, last. But I'm in line for Costco. But hopefully my Costco card even works. I haven't been to Costco and it might be over a year the last time I've been to Costco. But apparently I'm missing, I feel like it's blurred. Sorry for the blurriness, y'all. I'm trying to have it focused, but it's not focusing. But I have to join a call. Thank y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed my evening with me. I hope I try to do more of these, but thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm gonna join this Zoom call. Okay, let me know if you guys want to see more content. Love you guys. Peace.